In a YouTube video. I actually uploaded my second video, long video of the day, and the first ride popped up in the container, 526. Nope, nobody matched that. Nobody in hell is gonna, even dumb drivers are not gonna take that from Bel Air. But guess what? I've been sitting here, which means my drive time is not being used. Let's see. Oh, not promotions. What is my drive time at? My drive time is, right now there's not a lot of internet and I'm backing up stuff in the background, so it might take a little bit to pop up. There it is. I have 10 hours and 43 minutes remaining. That means I used around an hour to drop the passenger and 15 minutes while I was driving to Burbank Airport, right? But right now I'm parked here. My drive time, which is right here, it's not being used. What we're gonna do is, in the background, I'm gonna upload and make a new video for my YouTube short, and then I'm gonna drive to LAX and get there for the next set of flights that are coming in from all over the world. And I just finished my first YouTube short of the day. It's gonna get exported right now and it's gonna get uploaded. And this is literally what I do. I sit here and I work on me and I enjoy my life. There's no rush, passenger after passenger after passenger. No, that's too fast, guys. Like, I was watching a video from a friend of mine online, and I noticed they do around 16, 17 trips to make $350. That's his style. All the power to him. He's very knowledgeable. He's very good, and he's actually been giving me great tips. But my style is 10. In 10 rides, I want to be able to do around $300. If I can do it in 9, it's better. If I can do it in 8, it's even better, right? That's just my way of driving, right? I think the more amount of money you make and the least you drive, the better, right? So think of it like this. This morning, I've already uploaded 2 long videos to my YouTube channel. Now I'm uploading my first YouTube short, and then I'm gonna go and pick up the next passenger, meaning one ride is for Uber, which brings in wealth for me and the Uber driver app, and the second passenger ride or in between is my time now, right? My time is growing my business, and if I don't work on my business, I can't keep driving Uber. How am I going to retire, right? There you go. So we have, check it out, this first video that I uploaded this morning, it's already gotten 30 views. An hour ago, 6 likes and 1 comment. Here's the second video about the container getting uploaded, and I haven't even done thumbnails. I haven't even done the proper titles. I'm just throwing this stuff up, letting the YouTube engine naturally, do what it's supposed to do. Then I'll go and make it pretty. And right now, it's gonna take 2 hours because I have so many videos uploading. I'm doing my first YouTube short. And literally, while these 2 videos are being uploaded, I'm gonna switch to my main YouTube channel. Because when you can have 2 YouTube channels, why have 1? It's the same amount of content. It takes 1 second to upload it on 2 different channels. I'm gonna go on my main YouTube channel and I'm gonna upload the same video, but the title is gonna be slightly different. That's it, right? When the title is slightly different and the thumbnail is slightly different, it allows me to see and kind of do A and B testing, right? All right, here we go. And here's the funny thing. My video from this morning is showing up on this channel for me to watch, which is kind of cool. Okay, we're gonna go over here. This is how easy it is. The same video, I'm literally just gonna say share, and I'm gonna upload it without doing any more work on it. The only thing I change is this, ask and you shall receive. I'll change that up a little bit just because I want the title to be slightly different, right? So in this situation, I'm making the ask bigger, and I'm going to turn the and into an and symbol, and you shall receive. I'm going to make that capital. That's it. And then a wink, like added an emoji on this one. Now we're going to copy this. It's going to go into the description right here. Boom, boom, boom. And then we're going to put in the most important thing is what I'm pushing in the background, where I want people to join my school. So I can teach them real-time content creation, and I want people to go to these 2 playlists that I've been pushing for last 3 months. Maximizing Uber earnings, which is my long videos, and then playlist B is my shorts, right? And because this is a short, I'm just gonna go right here and I'm just gonna put a short symbol right here in front of it. So I don't have to do anything else, and that helps push this in the short algorithm, right? Go ahead and upload it. Now, both of these videos are being uploaded to 2 different YouTube channels, right? And my long video is being uploaded to 2 different YouTube channels. So literally 4 videos are being uploaded. And here you can see on this channel, the same video the same video that's on my other channel that's only for Uber drivers has gotten, I believe, more likes and a comment. On this one, it has likes, but it doesn't have a comment. So anyways, this is my A and B way of testing. Now I'm done with my break. I've dropped off a passenger, and we're gonna go look at the Uber driver app, and now we're gonna start driving towards LAX. It's gonna take me 20 minutes to get there, roughly, and about 15 miles away. And this was strategically done. Let me show you over here. So I was up here in Burbank about to pick up somebody, and I strategically took this because I want to go from airport to airport. Now 20 minutes, I'm 15 miles away. Let's see what Uber has to offer. We're going to turn it off for a second, and then when I turn it back on, I want to see. Yeah, there you go. So it's actually already showing me the peak LA times are 9 a.m. It's okay, so it's perfect time to be at LAX. But before we get to LAX, let's just see what LAX has to offer. Oh, you know what? Because I'm uploading too many things. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on, and now I'm gonna look and see what it's showing. Oh, look at that, 96, guys. Look, this is brilliant. Blue and 96 is really good, right? 96 Uber X, 76 Comfort, and the best thing is right here. I look for this all the time. See right here where it says full? It doesn't say full. It says 46 out of 50. This means I can get to LAX in 15 minutes and basically land another $20, $30. And now it's already in my mind. When I get to LAX, it's available. I want to minimum have another $30 and ready to go. Okay, so now we're going to turn the app on just so I can use Uber's navigation to get out of here while my other videos are loading in the background, right? And check this out. I'm going to hide my face, and now in the background, I'm not wasting any time. I'm literally going to go here. I'm going to finish watching the video that was on my podcast from this morning and keep learning. So while I'm driving and while I'm on my way to Uber, I'm going to listen to all of these videos, and some of these are here for me as a reference. Like, okay, this video I don't need to I don't need it anymore. But if you look at the second video down here, okay, the first video is bulk living. He's giving 25 tips for Uber drivers, and I noticed he's gotten 44,000 views on that video. So I want to take his information, add my information, and use it as a reference to make a new video later on this week. The second video on the left that you see is Car Life Blessings. I love that name and what she's teaching and the way she's making her videos. It's different than the way I do my videos, right? Here, I'll turn my face on. It's different. This one is one I'm at. It's different than the one I make my video. So these two are from yesterday that I watched, that I hear, that I'm going to save somewhere and have them available for me to make similar videos, or use them as a reference, or, you know, comment on their videos and let them know they're doing a good job, right? And the main video that I was listening to is this one right here. It's a 36-minute video from Dan Coe. I love this guy. I'll probably try to link this for you guys, or you can search for yourself. Dan Koe, The Future of Work. Great video. I'll try to post this in my community and post it in the description of my videos if you guys want to watch it. And then there's another long video from Gigi Young, right? That's the fourth video that I have saved, and I haven't put any new videos in because these are the videos from yesterday. I want to organize, I want to finish watching, and then I want to, you know, place them or share them before I add more videos to my podcasting, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, now we're gonna go and we're gonna start driving. I'm gonna end this video, start a new video that is going to be available and like a fresh, and it's gonna go back to the whole theme of today, which is the container and learning to drive Uber and cherry picking, right? That's my focus, that's my theme for today. God bless you, have a beautiful day. And remember, I keep telling you, God bless you. There is a creator out there. There is a God out there. There is somebody that's planning this. There is somebody that's teaching us, and that's it's called universe. Like universe meaning one verse, one song. There's someone that's playing this, or something that's playing this. And this is why I say God bless you. I don't mean to offend anybody, but that's just my way of letting you know my energy is good. And if I'm going off on God, that means my energy is off. And that happens once in a while, around the full moon and the new moon. All right, have a blessed day, my friends.